This is for the press meet of De Beers Forever Mark presents Mangalore Design Summit 2025, which will be held at Vivanta on the 8th of February. So this summit is more than about fashion and design. It is a movement towards sustainability. So it is a platform where students, professionals and brands come together to learn, explore and connect with one another. It is a one-of-kind event and we really want to promote eco-conscious practices in Mangalore.
Happening for the first time in Mangalore. A fashion design summit has not happened before. So like Anjali said, it is a platform to provide education as well as value around sustainability and fashion together. So we have a panel discussion which will happen 10 o'clock to 1 o'clock. This is a ticketed program. Students and design professionals as well as industrial experts are expected to attend. Some of our panelists are Sahiti Devi. She's Forbes 30 under 30 women. She has worked with 4 of the state governments. She's an advocate for SDG goals. We have Raksha Jain. She's an interior designer and she's an advocate for sustainable living spaces. We have Shaini Pillai, who is an image consultant and founder of a clothing brand based in Bangalore. We have Mamata Rai, who is Kadike Trust owner. She works with local artisans in promoting the local culture of weaving. We have Sharon D'Souza, who is the founder of Green Experts. She has also worked with a lot of government projects in terms of sustainability.